Hi everyone, today we are going to see about List Adt. List Adt, it is a data structure used to store the element in efficient way where each element in the link is linked with each other. So there will be a set of elements and all the elements will be stored in such a way that it can be retrieved easily. That is called list Adt. So it is an ordered set of elements and its general form is A1, A2, etc. to AN. For example, if I'm going to store 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Example, these are the list of the elements. And in the elements எல்லாத்தையும் நான் என்ன பண்ண போறேன்னா மெமரியில போய் ஸ்டோர் பண்றேன். So already we know this is the list of elements up to 10. So here then the list is a ordered set of elements and it will be stored. Already we know data structure means it is the organization of data. So already we stored element in efficient way that it will be stored in efficient way where each element is linked with each other. So general form of the list is A1, A2, etc. to AN. So where the A1 is the first element and AN is the last element, and this suffix tells the position of the element, and A of n is the number of elements in the list. Okay, here then 1 is the A of 1 and 10 is the last element A of n. Here n is the 10, so we can change as the A of 10. Okay, then what are the operations in the list Adt? So in the list Adt there are 7 operations. Like first one, insertion. Insertion, we will use the function called insert of x comma 5. So here x means it denotes the element that you are like to add. So in the element நீங்க add பண்ணனும்னு நினைக்கிறீங்களோ அந்த element தான் இங்க x ன்னு சொல்றோம். This is the element which is like to add and this is the position where you like to add. Sorry. Okay, suppose if I would like to add insert 12 comma 5, then it will add number 12 in the position 5. So for example, in the list, then the list will becomes 1, 2, 3, 4. In the fifth position, I would like to add number 12. So 12, after that 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So totally 11 elements now. So now next deletion. Deletion means we can give any element to delete. This x denotes the element. Suppose if I want to delete 6, then I can give a function like delete of 6. Okay, so then delete of 6 means the sixth element, not a position, this is the element. It will check and when it returns the 6, 6. For the deletion, it will, we can say here is the element which is you want to delete. So but delete of 6. So it will be delete number 6 from the list. So then the list will become 1, 2, 3, 4, 12, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, then searching. For the searching operation, for example, if I give a function find x means it is the element that you want to search. So எந்த element நீங்க search பண்ணனும்னு நினைக்கிறீங்களோ அந்த element நீங்க கொடுத்துக்கலாம். So just find of 9 means it will the element 9 is in the list and the 9 element in the list la irundhuchu appadina it will return that position of number 9. Next next operation is next of I. I means here I is also the element and it will tells what the element is next to that element. For example, next of 5, if I give next of 5, fifth 5 எலமெண்ட்டுக்கு அடுத்த பொசிஷன்ல எந்த எலமெண்ட் இருக்கு அப்படின்றத ரிட்டர்ன் பண்ணும். நெக்ஸ்ட் ப்ரீவியஸ் ஆஃப் 5. ப்ரீவியஸ் ஆஃப் 5னா ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் ப்ரீவியஸ் ஆஃப் 5 அப்படின்னா லிஸ்ட்ல உள்ள 5 எலமெண்ட்டுக்கு முன்னாடி உள்ள எலமெண்ட். ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் நெக்ஸ்ட் ஆஃப் 5னா இட் வில் ரிட்டர்ன் நம்பர் 7. ப்ரீவியஸ் ஆஃப் 5 அப்படின்னு சொன்னா இட் வில் ரிட்டர்ன் number 12. Next, display. Display means it will display, print all the elements from the list. Next, make the empty. It will, after that you can make the whole list as empty. Next we are going to say how we are going to implement and list editing. So then now we're going to see about the implementation of list editing. So by two ways we can implement. One is by using array, that is array based implementation. Number two, linked list based implementation.